My name's Holly Chapple, and I'm excited to introduce to you the newest product line in partnership with Syndicate Sales, my family. We are so excited to offer you not only installation pieces that will help you do foam-free floral installations, but a new sleek contemporary container and vessel vibe just to make your events extra special. We resolved the issue of a foam-free mechanic for centerpieces, but in my heart as an event designer, the one that just needed to be resolved was for installations, so we did it. I'm so excited. We've come up with a beautiful container that is for your arbors, arches, chuppahs. You can even hang these babies on the wall. So what we've done is add a water reserve to our pillows. So the really cool thing about this is that this structure that we built, it has a clip so that you can hang it into the chicken wire or on a hook. We created a groove for your zip ties. We also gave you little eye hooks for your zip ties as well. And then we have it in this upright shape, and then we have this oblong. So I was thinking this would be really helpful along the top bar of an installation. But the other thing that's really cool is that these are flat, and then they're also forward facing and angling down. So that means when I'm designing, I can get that gracious cascade. And we're not going to need to use foam for installations anymore. This is equivalent to anywhere from 20 to 40 vials of water that you would see in a water tube. So we've really increased the reservoir for your flowers so that you can go foam free. The other thing that is super awesome about these, you'll notice that they are self-standing. So you're able to get these prepped and ready in your studio, carrying them off in a box to the installation and just zip them up. And a lot of times our customers want to know if they can reuse those arbors and arches, which no, they typically cannot. But in this circumstance, you'd be able to untie these from the arbor or arch and maybe set them around on a back bar or around a guest book or something. So we're really excited about this. This was a mechanic that was desperately needed in the industry. We now have a foam-free structure and armature for installations.